3 dividend stocks that fit almost any portfolio. Most investors focus on growth, but over time, it's often dividends that quietly do the heavy lifting. Dividend stocks can provide steady income, help smooth volatility, and when reinvested, they add powerful compounding to a portfolio. Today, we're looking at 3 dividend stocks highlighted by 24/7 Wall Street that many long-term investors consider core holdings. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. All investing involves risk, including the possible loss of principal. Always do your own research before making investment decisions. Stock number 1. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is one of the most well-known dividend stocks in the world. It's a dividend aristocrat, meaning it has increased its dividend for more than 60 consecutive years. Coca-Cola's business model is simple and durable. It focuses on producing beverage concentrates while bottlers handle distribution. That structure generates strong cash flow, which helps support consistent dividend payments year after year. For income-focused investors, Coca-Cola represents stability and reliability. Stock number 2. 3M. 3M is a diversified industrial company with products spanning healthcare, manufacturing, and consumer goods. While parts of its business are cyclical, 3M has maintained a long history of dividend payments and increases. The company's focus on innovation and cost discipline has helped it continue rewarding shareholders, even during challenging periods. For patient investors, 3M represents long-term income potential tied to real-world products and demand. Stock number 3. Morgan Stanley. Morgan Stanley adds a different type of exposure to a dividend portfolio. As a global financial services firm, it benefits from wealth management, investment banking, and market activity. While it's not traditionally viewed as a classic income stock, Morgan Stanley has built a consistent dividend track record alongside growth potential. This combination makes it attractive for investors seeking both income and capital appreciation. Big picture takeaway: dividend stocks aren't about excitement, they're about consistency. Companies that generate steady cash flow and return it to shareholders can play an important role in long-term wealth building. Dividends provide income today, and when reinvested, they help compound returns over time. Closing. For patient investors, dividend stocks like these can help create balance, income, and resilience inside a portfolio. Slow, steady, intentional.